Here's a 2012 Toyota Tundra. Rely on the right pickup to get the job done. This durable Tundra comes with heated mirrors and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. With its power and heftiness, safety is assured with rollover sensors, an anti-skid system, and traction control. Take care of business and stop in for a test drive today.
Call, click, or visit us today. We're conveniently located at 4455 South College Avenue in Fort Collins, Colorado, or online anytime at petersontoyota.com.